Good morning class. As yesterday we have ended till match the following. Now today we are going to continue with the exercises in workbook only. Let us move to the second exercise of this. Look at the pictures given on the next page and make up your own sentences. Use the phrases that are given in the box. Write sentences on the next page. This exercise is on page number 35. In this, you can see the pictures here. The pot is still broken, still not here, still talking. What you all have to do, you have to make sentences using these words. The first sentence which we are going to write is, first picture is of the pot. So, the sentence for this is, the pot is still broken. Second one is still not here. I asked my father to come before 8 o'clock, but he is still not here. Put a full stop at the end. Now, C one is still talking. My mother is still talking to her friend. Put a full stop at the end. Now here we complete with these three sentences. Now the second exercise which we are going to do is, here are three dogs, Tapper, Suki and Jerry. Tapper is big, Suki is bigger and the Jerry is biggest. Here are the comparative adjectives. We compare adjectives by adding er or est. Here are some spelling rules to follow when we add er or est. Think of other example for 1 to 5 below. First one, no change. That is cold, colder, coldest. Drop the last e. Wide, wider, widest. Change the y to I. Tiny, tinier, tiniest. Double the last letter. Fit, fitter and fittest. I hope you all are seeing in this T is being doubled here. And instead of Y, they have used I and removing E. Now, they have dropped the word E in the second one. So, let us move to page number 36 now. Use more or most, exciting, more exciting or most exciting, irregular, good, better, best, far, further, farthest, bad, worse, worst, many, more, most. In this, you have to try doing these. You have to do these exercises. Now, in the first word, as the first word is heavy, so let us write heavier. In the second one, heaviest. Fine, finer, finest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Broad, broader, broadest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Curious, more curious, most curious. I hope you all have got these two exercises. Now let us turn the page and come to page 36 only. In this, what you all have to do? Big and better. Write sentences of your own using the adjectives from the box below. These are some of the adjectives here. You have to compare these two houses, and using these adjectives, you have to make sentences given in the space below. Now, first word is big. So the sentence, the line which we are given is, the first house is bigger than second one. First sentence is, the first house is bigger than second one. Second sentence, second word is beautiful. So the sentence for this is, the second house is more beautiful than first one. Third word is cheap to build. The sentence for this is, the fence or the fence in the second house is cheaper to be built. Fourth sentence is, fourth word is old. So the sentence for this is, the first house is older than second one. Put a full stop at the end. Now, fifth one is comfortable to live in. Sorry, fifth word is good. So, sentence for this is, the first house is better than second. Now I hope you all can see we are adding become bigger, beautiful, more beautiful, cheap, we have used cheaper, old, older, good, we have used good instead. We don't have used good here, instead we have used better over here. So the sixth word is comfortable to live in. So the sentence for this is, the first house is more comfortable to live in than second one. Than second. And let us move to the seventh one. Seventh word is interesting. The sentence for this is, the scene of the second house is more interesting than the second house of the scene of the second house is more interesting. Now let us move to the last and the least, that is the eighth one. Eighth word is expensive. The sentence for this is, the construction of first house is more expensive than second. Here we complete with the exercises in workbook of poem Leisure. Now, do all these exercises using pencil only. Don't use pen to write in workbook. Homework for you all is to learn these exercises thoroughly, and if you have any doubt, you all can ask me. Thank you.